Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Every one of us very intimately connected with Krishna. And Krishna is sitting in everyone's heart. Krishna is so kind that he is simply waiting when this rascal will turn his face towards me. He simply is so kind. But we living entities, we are so rascal, we shall turn our face to everything except Krishna. This is our. We want to be happy with so many ideas. Everyone is making his own idea. Now, but these rascals do not know that what is the actual process for getting happiness. That is Krishna. That they do not. Nate vidu shartha gating hi Vishnu durasaya je bahirarthamani. You can see in your country. They are trying so many things. So many skyscraper buildings, so many motor cars, so many big cities. But there is no happiness. Because they do not know what is missing. That missing point we are giving. Here is. You take Krishna and you will be happy. This is our Krishna consciousness. Krishna and the living entity, they are very intimately connected. Like father and son, or friend, or master and servant, like that. We are very much intimately connected. But because we have forgotten our intimate relationship with Krishna and trying to become happy in this material world, therefore we have to undergo so much tribulation. This is it. Krishna bhuliya jiva bhogavancha. We living entities, we are trying to become happy within this material world. Why you are in the material world? Why not in the spiritual world? In the spiritual world, nobody can become enjoyer, bhokta. That is only supreme. Bhoktaram jaggadamasam sarva. There is no mistake. There are also living entities, but they know perfectly well that real enjoyer, proprietor is Krishna. That is spiritual kingdom. Similarly, even in this material world, if we understand perfectly well that we are not enjoyer, Krishna is enjoyer, then it is spiritual world. This Krishna consciousness movement is trying to convince everyone that we are not enjoyer. Enjoyer is Krishna. Just like this whole body. The enjoyer is the stomach, and the hands and legs and eyes and ears and brains and everything. These should be engaged to find out the enjoyable things and put it in the stomach. This is natural. Similarly, we are part and parcel of God, or Krishna. We are not enjoyer. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,